How about a Will Smith style beat? Who said this was a Will Smith style beat? Just want some Big Willie shit, man. Some salamis, if you grill them, taste like hot dogs.
That's a fact.
Some salamis and bologna, if you grill it, hot dog. Some bologna, some pastrami, some salami. You can't harm me, no salami, ain't your mommy. Like you said before, you can't stop me. Did you say that I had Mick Romney and a little bit of Molly and a little salami, bologna, pastrami? That pastrami shit hit hard though.
Yeah, dude.
Pastrami salami.
Got it in a paper bag.
Seeing other dudes, hey, I got the last coffee cake. Bring yummy cheese. This kid sucks. Oh man, this kid sucks so bad.
Pop my collar, pop your collar, pop my collar, pop your collar, pop my collar, pop your collar, pop my collar, pop your collar.
Ever since I can remember, I've been popping my collar, popping my collar, popping my collar.
Let's get the cleavage out.
Well, this is prom. We shouldn't really. Yeah.
Next.
Oh my God. Another thing we can't be looking at. Maybe this isn't a good subject to be looking at.
I can't even legally talk about this, folks.
I don't believe this is a prom. Unless that's the mom. There's no way she's going to prom. And if she is going to prom, no way she's going to prom. She's going to prom. I'm going to prom. Bum fiddler. That's Subway's new sandwich. That's the bum fiddler.
The bum fiddler.
A clarivar. That's a.
When you're stroking from behind for a while, it builds up a couple clatter farts. I think it's important as men that you embrace the clatter fart. If a girl lets out a clatter fart and you acknowledge it, you can't even acknowledge it unless she acknowledges it. If she giggles, you giggle back.
I ain't giggling.
Clatter farts?
I might clatter fart back actually. She's gonna go hee. I'm gonna go.
I've had to hold in a couple farts sometimes, man. When you fucking do it, it's terrible. You're like,
You go for it.
yeah, as long as they first, then you can clatter fart everywhere.
Yep.
It's a gossip. Oh, she's being a clatter fart. I drive a Hyundai from Monday to Sunday.
Ooh.
I drive a Hyundai from Monday to Sunday.
Ooh. Mark Flynn wants more auto-tune, so we went to gas station, got our mac and cheese on. You got nothing to add to that?
No, Mark Flynn doesn't want to hear me auto-tune at all. He wants to hear you auto-tune.
Oh, fair enough. Mark's salty about Flynn wanting to hear me do some auto-tune.
I'm not even auto-tune that.
What is my favorite mac and cheese so far and the worst I've ever had? My favorite mac and cheese so far has been the Velveeta Chipotle. The worst I've ever had is the Velveeta Chipotle. Because it made me poop crazy.
The West Coast drought.
No, that's a dry subject. I see my mailman every single day.
Every day.
Except for Sunday, but coming up eventually Sundays as well. They put that in the new rules. They're gonna start doing it on Sunday too. So I'ma start seeing him 7 days a week. We gon' freak. Ooh. Had my picture in a picture of my dog. He was like, yo, you got a really handsome dog.
Yo, those are the real life bars, you know what I'm saying? Like, people be talking about shit they ain't really doing, but Simon's living this life.
Yep.
He's living this mailman life.
Yo, Fred.
Shout out to Fred. Do you know Martha from over in Apponaug? That's my girl. Tell her you know me.
Think that mailman shit hit hard?
Nah, no.
You think so? Okay, oh, wait. Oh, okay, oh, wait, okay. I love that way that mayo tastes. Woo, woo. I love the way that mayo tastes. I love the tangy whip, a miracle whip, that zip, that shit. I take a pickle and I dip. It's crisp. It's just some oil and some eggs. They put it in some shit and whipped it till it came out great. I haven't tried it, did I cut you off? I didn't mean to. It was with a butter knife that I spread my mayo with. Did you see that? It was nasty, yeah, it was so delicious. I come through and you know I put mayo on all my bitches. All my bitches. All my bitches. all my bitches. Put mayo on all my bitches.
All my bitches. All my bitches. All my bitches. Put mayo on all my bitches.
When I don't mow my lawn, it pisses off my mom.
Yo.
When I don't mow my lawn, it pisses off my mom. When I don't mow my lawn,
Don't mow it, baby.
it pisses off my mom.
Pisses off my mom.
If I don't mow my lawn,
The grass get long. Mom gets long.
Yo, if I don't hit my lawn, she gets mom. My mom gets long. Everybody knows
Sometimes I feel it hard to put the grass cuttings in the bag. Sometimes I find it hard to put the grass cuttings in the bag.
And I hate when I pull it down, and like half of all the shavings fall right up on the ground. I hate it when the toilet overflows, cause everybody knows I was shitting. I hate it when I fucking close the door, and everybody thinks I was kidding.
Somebody's in here. I said somebody's in here. I said somebody's in here. Come on, man, I'm shitting. Somebody's in here. Leave me alone. I really gotta go. You keep putting pressure on me when you knock the door, and I can't go with everybody on my back, everybody on my ass, in my crack.
You don't wanna be there, man, I promise. Stop knocking, get up on my fucking face. It's bad enough, I'm shitting in a public place.
Poop farts are embarrassing. When you sit down and it goes, it's embarrassing. It's also hilarious.
Well, I don't even know what a collard green is.
I really don't know what a collard green is. That's the whitest thing I could probably say.
Yeah, I know, that's probably so white of me. I have no idea what a collard green is. And honestly, that phrase alone kind of feels racist coming out of my mouth. That sounded racist coming out of your mouth. That sounded racist too. I would quit while you're to turn the camera on.
Michael Jordan just had text me.
Rolling.
I think colon rolling is putting Molly up your ass, probably.
Molly up the butt.
So we're gonna look it up. I hope I'm right. It's a wellness center in Los Angeles, California.
Was this guy going and spamming us for this fucking wellness center?
Is this a plug?
Is this a plug for his colon rolling wellness? First place I would go is the library.
For all the books you can burn?
No, I'm not a Nazi, man. I would get a survival guide because, like, everyone's gonna go and get the guns and they're all gonna fight each other over the guns, right? So I'm gonna go get a survival guide and it's gonna tell me how to fucking fix a fucking. I don't know. There's ones that have like everything in them.
Here's an idea. Get the survival guide now. Skip that step.
No, that's always been my plan, to go to the library first. I guess you're right that I could go and buy the books and I could skip the library part, but always has been my plan to go to the library first. I thought I was so fucking smart with my, I'm gonna go to the library. I'm gonna go to the library, I'm gonna get a book that tells me how to fucking it's gonna tell me how to make a fire out of a fucking car battery.
What would be the first thing that I did? First thing I would do is go get gas. Seriously, I would go get gas.
Yo.
I'd go get anything that would keep it so my car could last as long as possible without me having to stop again.
So you would go get an oil change real quick?
No,
Yo, let me get a fluids change. Motherfucker, fill it up.
Spark plugs, some wiper blades.
Pull up and check out my warranty.
That would be the first thing I'd do. I'd go to a gas station, I'd get mad gas, mad oil.
And like beef jerky.
I don't like beef jerky, but I'd be like, yo, I'm gonna run into Simon.
Fucking survival guide. I mean, I think I even own a survival guide, to be honest. I own the zombie survival guide. And I'm like, I'm gonna go to the fucking library. It's pretty funny. What do you say it? But in here somewhere it says, don't go to the library.
You're gonna turn down Road Dome?
No. But is it worth the risk? I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, I smoke cigarettes. Is it worth the risk? Hell no. But Road Dome, is it worth the risk? I think pragmatically, no.
Craftmatically? Yeah.
The boom was in the bucket and the bang with the boom boom. Whoa. The boom was in the bucket and the bang with the boom boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
The boom was in the bucket with the bang with the boom boom.
Bang in the boom, boom, bang in the boom, boom.
Bang in.
And they like dang when they say my dang-a-lang. Shooting off Glocks. I'll shoot you in your box. Stop. Motherfuckers never stop. Pop, 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 pop. Gun sounds everywhere. Boom, boom, boom. I don't got no underwear. Boom.
Jumping in my trap house.
Trapping in my trap house.
Jumping in my trap house.
Trapping in my trap house.
Can I get a little bit of wrong with the auto tune in my trap house?
I'm gonna give you auto tune and editing.
I'm gonna give you auto tune and editing. Editing.
I'm gonna give you auto tune and editing.
Editing.
Hope I got some auto tune and editing.
Editing. Get off the ball. Yo,
What's the hook?
he goes like this. He goes, yo, get out of the stall. I really gotta drop a loaf right now. I said, get up off the stove. I really gotta drop a loaf right now. I said, get up out the stove. I really gotta drop a loaf right now. I said, get up out the stove. Yo.
You got it?
Yo, get out of the stall. I gotta poop. Yo, I brought the cacao blam. You better hope that shit strawberry jams. Yo, good goddamn, get inside my white van. You might go missing, we might start kissing.
The purple drink, but I got that purple drink. But I got that purple drink with the purple drink and the purple drink. I got that purple drink, purple drink. Goddamn your pussy stank.
Yeah, I got so much macaroni. Yo, who you above? I'm the boss like I'm Danny Glove. And I don't care where you swerve. Yo, you get beat up, perv.
Yo, his rhymes, I told you his bits. He's Danny Glover because he's getting too old for this shit.
Yo, you don't really want these bars.
I want to battle.
You want to battle? Because you just got killed that Danny Glover bar.
That Danny Glover bar was that good.
Danny Glover bar
Called it a night. I might just, mac and cheese is done.
Wednesday.
Yo, you know what the most awkward part about that whole situation is? I just realized that my windows are open and people have definitely heard that throughout the neighborhood.
Enough. I don't want to be the loser that never had enough.
Yeah.